Guys, this is going to be part 3 of the oil change. I already loosened that baby out, as you can see. It's still dripping a little bit, that's fine. Now, first thing to do, get that new oil, put a finger in there, blah blah blah. Rim it and do the seal. Lubricate the seal. This will make it easy for the next time you change your oil, so it's not so hard, because I'm expecting that you guys are going to have a very hard time taking it off, especially by hand. I tried it. I was there like a couple minutes and I just decided to use my little filter tool, which you can buy for about $5-6 bucks. I'm sure I did show you guys, but just to make sure. There's many versions, of course, as my grandfather gave me, but it's an oil filter. It pretty much grabs onto it, and with pressure, it just turns. It's like $5 or $6 bucks. So, definitely a good investment in the future. And I'm sure you're going to need it unless you have great power, great grip power at least. And so we're just going to screw this baby back in. Make sure it glides in real nice. And so forgot my goggles. A6, by the way. So yeah, just clean my hand quick. Just give it a nice, good, tight feel. Might want to clean up any oil, because I'm sure there is, dripping out all over. Give it a nice big turn. Just tighten it, hand tight. And let's take off the oil just to see. By the way, I changed it. This is of course, my new car. And here's the oil. It doesn't look all that bad, honestly. I changed it at 7,777 miles right now. Pretty awesome. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, wow, I don't have a filter. I mean, a little funnel. What you can do is get a plastic bottle. Let me try to show you. Just want to cut the top. There's your funnel. Put it right in there. Get your oil. Oh, fucked up. I'm just gonna fill it up. It recommends 5.5 quarts. I'm guessing it's just 5 the whole straight now when I test it. Just gonna pour all this in, clean it up. So yeah, that's about it. Pretty much clean up, throw away everything, dispose of your oil properly like I will. But that's pretty much all you need, guys. You're saving tons of money. It all came out to about $45 with oil filter and full synthetic oil. And if I would have gone to a dealership, they would have charged me $140 plus who knows what else, you know. And this saves you a lot of headache. Just do it yourself, real simple. Simple things needed. Put your comments, questions below. Thanks, guys.